you've clicked on this video because you want to become rich. You're already ahead of 70% of people who are too lazy to change and have just accepted their fate. But you're in luck because you've just found the right video out of thousands on how to get rich. I mean, what are the odds? It means you're meant to become rich. In this video, I'm going to tell you the best and fastest ways to get rich in 2024. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The methods I'm going to discuss will take around 2 to 4 months before you even earn your first dollar. But trust me, once you start earning, it will become much easier to scale and earn more pretty fast. I am going to tell you 4 best methods that are guaranteed to make you rich within 2024. First method, start producing content. If you have no money to invest but have time, then this option is the best for you. It requires a good internet connection, a moderate computer or even mobile that is capable of running video editing software and 4 hours of your day. As you might have already known from the title in this method, you will produce content. You can swap the hours that you spend on social media on non-beneficial content to start producing content. Now we come to the first point, niche selection. Even before you start doing anything, you have to select your niche. The best method to find it is to know in which niche you're most interested. It can be gaming, documentary, and even vlogs. Select that niche aligns with your personal interest and make sure that you must not get bored from it. Next step is to find a trend regarding that niche and observe other creators in this niche. Observe what other creators are doing. What is their editing style and what is their unique point? Then define your own editing style and your unique point that keeps you different from other creators. Now we'll create an account on the platforms we want to produce content on. For example, I want to create documentary styled content. Now I have to select the topics I will make documentaries on. It can be geopolitics, conspiracy theories, trending topics, or it can be a combination of these. The best and the most valuable advice for this method that I can give you is do not try to reinvent the wheel, observe what others are doing, add some uniqueness of your own, and you will go viral for sure. Now, you may ask, where is the part for which we have come here? Money. So your income depends upon the platforms you have chosen. For YouTube, you will be given ads revenue once you get monetized. You can create and connect your store to get customers. You can sell courses, or you can write a book and sell to your audience if you are in the documentary niche, and much more. And it's the same for TikTok. But for Instagram, except for ads revenue, you can do all the other stuff. Second method, leverage AI. AI has been trending since 2022, which is the release year of ChatGPT. This gave everyone a real idea of how much AI is capable. Basically, AI alone cannot make money for you unless you know how to code and create your own AI softwares. I am myself not a coder and I have no knowledge on how to build AI, so we will only talk about on how we can leverage AI. Since the start of 2024, there are so many videos on how to cash cow on YouTube, automate YouTube, faceless channels, creating a shit ton of money and stuff like that. Yes, this is possible, but it will not be 100% automated. There is still a need for human touch. The first method that I told you, start producing content, can be leveraged with AI. You can use ChatGPT or Bard AI for script writing, but don't be totally dependent on AI. You must have to make some changes in the script to ensure that it is engaging for the audience, and then you can use 11 Labs to generate generic voiceovers. But there is one thing that AI is still not capable of, that is good editing. So you must have to edit videos yourself. You can put stock footage, B-rolls, and animations. To spice up the videos, put good sound effects and background music. You can also use AI to make kids' books, novels, fiction stories, and much more. You can use DALL-E 2 or Midjourney for generation of illustrations, and AI is really good in illustrations. Then you just need to compose it together and market it properly, and you can even take tips from AI on how to market it. Or you can pitch a publisher to publish your book, and you will earn royalty on each sale. Third method, start an online business. Since the pandemic, e-commerce market has skyrocketed and it will keep having an increased demand as it is the future of retail. If you have a low budget and cannot afford to start a physical business, then starting an online business is best for you. Here, You will sell a product or a service that is in demand. You have to select a category or products that you want to work on or find a trending in-demand product. Then you can create your presence on different social media platforms, especially Instagram and TikTok. Then gain or buy some thousands of followers and even create fake testimonies and reviews to gain the trust of new buyers. After you have posted good content for at least a month, then you will need to run targeted ads and get sales through your website or on DM. Then you can source the products from overseas or local wholesalers. When you have gained a good amount of loyal customers, then you are going to offer them deals, coupons, and special packages to keep them engaged and to increase your sales. You must keep evolving and keep an eye on the trends and demand. Deliver the customer what they expect, or you can also give them free gifts so that you can go beyond their expectations. Provide an easy payment gateway like Stripe and PayPal so that there is no trouble in receiving payments on time. Fourth method, make your own brand. There are many stores that sell the same product of the same brand, but people only buy from that store, which is selling it the cheapest. But when you make your own brand, you are the one who selects the customers. I mean to say that if you make a product with your own branding, you can select at whichever price to sell and who can afford that product. So, how to make your own brand? There are two main methods of making a brand. Either you produce your products yourself, or you source your products from a manufacturer with your logo and branding. It is the most difficult and costly method out of all, but this is also the most rewarding in the long term if done correctly. For example, if you want to start your own restaurant or diner first, you will need to observe what your most successful competitors are providing to their customers, what elements make them successful as compared to other fast food chains or diners. Is it the taste of their food, environment and ambience that they have, or is it something more than that? Find your competitors' strong and weak points. Then build a strong team and hire talented people whom you think are excellent chef, manager, or waiter. Encourage them to provide their best. Provide your staff with a healthy and happy environment and do not try to make money by cutting on quality or your staff wages. Instead, try to provide such great service, quality, and ambience that customers would not mind paying the price that it is really worth. And one of the most important thing is to set your core values before you even take your first step to build your brand. Like, in case of restaurants, your core values must be high quality ingredients, consistency in taste, customer service, ambience, and hygiene. I know it might sound simple and easy, and if you have some money, you might be thinking of starting your own brand, but trust me, it is not. There are many things to consider before starting a brand, like market research, competitors analysis, and above all, self-analysis. Like, if you are ready for continuous ups and downs, are you willing to commit yourself to your brand and make it the biggest brand? If you lack any of these things or you get fed up in between, then you will ultimately fail. So clearly think what you want for yourself and what you're going to give in return, because you will not get anything in return for nothing. You must have to provide value, commitment, and you need to keep innovating and keep improving yourself. Now you are given the knowledge on how you can get rich within 2024 or get near to the riches. Now the only thing missing from your side is action. Take your time and think about how much money I have and how much time I can spend in building my future, then select the best method that aligns for you. If you want to know more things about the rich and really want to become rich yourself, then subscribe to this channel and watch the current videos on the habits that rich people follow and much more. See you in the next video.